What's cranking, you beautiful people out there? It is 6:08, and I'm going kayak fishing again to that. Hold on, let me turn on the light real quick. Hold on, ready? Boom. We're going kayak fishing at that one spot that I went to, like 5 videos ago or something. I don't know. I'm gonna be fishing topwater, same kind of stuff, just try to make the video a lot longer, put a lot more fish catches, hopefully more quality fish. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all I'm doing, really. I mean, fishing the pads, just fishing the weed edges and all that with the frog, and hopefully catch a big one. That's all I'm looking for, one fish. A little backstory of that pond. It would be the New York State record bass. It has a 13-pound largemouth bass in there. 13 pounds, 1-3. And it would have been the state record, but it's a private pond. It was public, but it made it private, and it would have been the New York State record. New York State record now is 11 pounds. It would have been 13. But, you know what I'm saying. Alright, hopefully I can catch that thing today. That'd be freaking insane. I don't even know what I would do in my life if I caught that. I'd be so scared if it broke the line or whatever. But anyways, I gotta get the kayak loaded up, and yeah, I'm a bit tired. Went to bed at 12, got about 5 hours of sleep, so I woke up about an hour ago. So yeah, let's do this thing, let's get out there and crank some fish. Let's go. We've made it to the freaking juice factory, boys. Gotta unload the kayak. It won't be good, you know what I'm saying? This is a fire pond, look at that. The wind's already starting to pick up, which kind of sucks, but we'll go out here and catch them. Let's get it. First fish of the day falls victim to the chatterbait. It's a good one. Let him go here. Pissed off fish. Nice one right there. Begging. 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 It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Yes. Next cast after. Next cast after. Just turn off the GoPros and turn it back on again. It's a good one. It was fat, it would probably be about 3 pounds, but it's a good one. Let him go. That was so sick. What? Next cast after. One hit it. It's the juiciest spot I've found so far. Not gonna lie, it's been a struggle. Been trying to find. I've missed about 4 or 5 fish on the frog, and just like that, caught 2 right in a row. It's pretty damn good. Little guy. Little guy choked the frog. That was pretty freaking sick. Look at that thing. Thing is just gone. Like, look how big that frog is. And then look at the size of that fish. It's like a 12-incher. Love the bass, man. Gone like a freaking flash. As soon as I hit the water. No mercy with that thing. As soon as I hit the water. Blow-ups look way bigger because I'm in like skinny water. About a foot of water. And catching nice little guys like this. God. These things are feisty as all hell. Biggest one of the day. Oh my God, look where the chatterbait is. Chatterbait is gone. Chatterbait is completely gone. Very skinny. It was right here. You could have caught it probably. What did you catch yours on? Yeah. Nice one on that chatterbait. Hell yeah. Sweet. God. That was freaking insane. Did you see that? I don't even know if you guys saw that, damn it. You guys probably heard it though. That was pretty crazy. Barely hooked. Little guy absolutely murked the frog. Standing up in the kayak. Catching some donks. I wish I was catching like 5-pounders. Oh. Spook something. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh God, that's a big one. Oh, I thought that was way bigger than that. Holy sh... The whole... Okay. Do you see the blow up that thing made? This is no more than like a 2-pound, 3-pound fish. It would be like a 3-pounder, but it's really skinny. But did you see that freaking blow up? Absolutely insane. Like, I'm shaking. I thought that thing was like 5 pounds, but it was only a freaking little 2-pounder. Well, there it is. It's about a 16-inch fish, very skinny, probably 2 1/4 pounder, and he's ready to go. By far, one of the craziest blow-ups I've had all year. I've had some crazy ones, but that's pretty close to... I mean, if I lost that thing, again, I would have thought it was like 5-6 pounds. I mean, that thing was so damn freaking aggressive and pissed off. Crazy. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That was like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious, that was huge. That was not a small fish. That was not a small fish. Alright, we're gonna stand up now again. I think it's a better angle for you guys. It's a little sketchy for me, but I guess whatever makes you guys happy, I'll do it, I guess. You feel me? The bite is like a little tick. Like a freaking little tick. And then the chatterbait just down their throat. They don't take the rod in my hand. All it is like, some of them knock slack in the line, some of them just eat it. It's gone, and it feels like a little tick. Those are about the only 2 bites that I felt. It's beautiful conditions. It's pretty calm, overcast, perfect for topwater. Tried topper for a little bit. I got some action, but I had good luck last time just fan casting in the middle with the chatterbait. So we're just gonna try that again, and so far produced one of the biggest fish of the day. So that's good. Let's see if we can get some more. There we go. Ooh, it's a nice one. Oh man, this is so sick. I love this. Now this might be one of the biggest fish of the day. Right here. This one's a little fatter. They're all skinny, but this one's still skinny. Really, they're all like the same size. There are some giants in here though. Give me back my swim bait. Give me it. He's got my swim bait in there. No, don't digest it. Spit it out. There you go. Alright. Another one. About a 15-incher. That one knocked slack in my line. That one I didn't even know I had. I thought I had weeds, but then it was like I couldn't catch up to my line. So I was like, nope. That's a bass. Alright folks, thank you for watching this video. Hope y'all enjoyed this fire little lake. Caught a bunch of bass. Had some insane blow-ups that I thought were freaking 5-pounders, and they were only like 2.5-pounders. I caught fish on chatterbait and a frog. That's it today. I caught a couple crappie. I don't know if I'll put that in. I caught it like on a little trot magnet. But yeah, so hope y'all enjoy this video of me in the kayak and all that. It's a nice little, it's different. I made another video like this a couple videos ago at the same lake, but I tried to switch it up a little bit, throw top water a little more, make it a little more exciting. But hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you give that a like, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.